Howdy, this is Hamid of Milwaukie Makers. It's been a little while since I've done one of these videos, but I wanted to share a little bit of footage of my Fujifilm X70 that's on a gimbal now, but it was pocketable and handheld earlier before I went up to the island on the number 13 just to take some just voice shots of how does this little platform work. As a vlogging platform that can fit in my pocket, can it work even in the wind if faced in the right direction? So I tried it with the wind going in a number of different directions, and here are the results. It's a windy day up here at the number 13, and we're doing a wind test. What happens when my head, the wind is coming this way? How does that affect audio quality? Do we get a lot of wind noise in the X70? Or if we turn around this way with the wind coming towards me, this is the audio quality of the Fujifilm X70. And if we go sideways, imagine we get some different kind of wind noise too. I have a feeling that maybe this direction is going to be the best audio quality in windy conditions. So is there a way to get decent audio quality without a dead cat while out and about with this funny, wonderful little device? Well, I just listened back to some of the audio I just took, and I think this is the direction. If the wind is coming towards me, I'm not even sure where the microphone is on this thing. I think it's maybe up here just above the lens, above the hot shoe. But here's a big gust of wind coming right this way, so it's swooshing past the camera, and maybe this little selfie screen acts as a bit of a wind block for the microphone. Well, wouldn't that be interesting? I would still like to look into finding like a tiny dead cat or a piece of foam to put over the microphone and see if that helps, because it's really cool having this tiny little camera that fits in my pocket that can take some great pictures. And oh, we'll go into the wind, coming all this way into my face. How is the audio quality? Are we getting much wind noise? We're getting gusty winds here in the Pacific Northwest. What a beautiful day to be lively.